Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mohamad Hanif bin Halim, and a very good evening. And I'm presenting for my team, Group 15, with the title Dinosaur Air Hockey. And this is the progress one for the game design document draft. Okay, our concept is dinosaur air hockey from the game of table hockey games, or we call it air hockey. Okay, in this game, player needs to score as many goals as possible to win the game while also fighting against your opponents. But in our game, the players will choose their own dinosaur and play it against other player inside the game of air hockey. Then the twist is using a dinosaur. Then we have the game elements and the goal. The goals, there is two mode of gameplay, which is point count mode. Two players will face off with each other and reach the target score to win. For example, if the target score is 10 and the first player to achieve the score of 10 will win the game. Then we have time attack mode, which two players will face each other and score goals within the time limit given. In example, 15 seconds, and the highest scorer will win. Then we have the interactions. In the game, player will be using the mouse and keyboard to move around the dinosaur and shoot the hockey puck. Okay, the first they will move around and hit the hockey puck and click shoot to shoot the hockey puck inside the opponent's goal. There are also some power-ups inside the game, which can be collected, which are placed randomly inside the map to gain temporary advantage and become an opportunity to defeat their opponents. Then we have obstacles. The obstacles in this game is also your opponent. You need to find a way to break through your opponent's defense to score a goal. And the other obstacles are the environments, as there will be other environmental obstacles in the game like trees, rocks, or even pillars, which can obstruct player movement inside the field. Rules are player needs to shoot inside the opponent's goalpost in order to get scores, and scoring inside your own goalpost will result in no score. And player need to collect power-ups on the map to gain temporary advantage. And the game objective is for two players to compete with each other to get the highest score. Difficulty scalings is based on what the difficulty chosen by the player. We have easy mode, consisting of small number of obstacles inside the field. Hard mode will have more variety of obstacles and some moving objects. Audience suitable for all ages, as the game is a casual game. The main target is probably children and teenagers, maybe tabletop game lovers, and also sports enthusiasts. Next is the objective for the gameplay and mechanics. Objectives are two players to compete with each other to get the highest score. Rule is to shoot the hockey puck to score a goal and also defend their own goal post. Resources, the main resource are the goal points. Action and interaction is the use of input from keyboard and mouse. The use of WSAD key for the character movement and probably the mouse for shooting the hockey puck. Feedback and progression, the higher the goal point, the higher ranking in the leaderboard. Okay, challenges and skills, we have three, which is physical, is to manipulate keyboard and mouse interaction. Mental is to observe the hockey puck movement, and social skill is to read and manipulate your opponents. Rewards and incentive is the high score will be tracked, and you can see everyone that play the game's high score within the leaderboard. Balance is that both players will be placed at the end of the field, while the hockey puck will be placed right in the middle between them. Then we have the art and visual. The art style will be focused on low poly, and the game world will evolve around the environments of the dinosaurs' habitat. In here, example, the use of forest, character design and animation. There are various characters inside the game, the species of dinosaur with some animation applied to the character. The first animation will be a running animation, which happens when the character move around, and also an idle animation when the character remains still. Okay, these are three examples of the dinosaur. We have a T-Rex, a Stegosaurus, and also a Triceratops. Okay, and the sample environment is shown inside Unity, and this is what it's supposed to look like for the first draft of the scene, which is a forest environment and supposedly not completed yet and will be completed later. And for the UI design, on mostly for now is the buttons, which are a stone-like button design. Is the same theme as dinosaur, which is Stone Age. Here we have the buttons like this, simple buttons. Then we're proceeding the gameplay by Nurul Aqilah in Unity.
So this is our progress in Unity. The user will be forwarded to the main scene first. The user is required to enter the name. If they haven't entered the name and immediately press the submit button, the warning message will be displayed. Once they click the submit button, the user will be forwarded into menu scene where it has 3 buttons in total. The first one is for point count mode, second one is for time attack mode, and the third one is for the leaderboard. If they click the time attack button, the user will be forwarded to the time attack lobby room, and the user is required to enter the lobby number and choose character. So for this one, user choose the wanted character, and the user name will be displayed under the character that they have chosen. The start button is for the user to start the game. So here the players will be spawned with the character that they have chosen. So for the gameplay, the user is required to hit or collide with the puck to score a goal. Then if the player click the leaderboard button, it will be forwarded to the leaderboard scene where its own ranking and score will be displayed, and also the leaderboard of others player. That is all from us. Thank you.